tight spaces, it's more than just something that you're going to find in a trial. Working tight spaces actually improves how your dog searches. And that's what we're going to talk about tonight. I have the hide on a vent that is blowing out in a very small bathroom. And the vent's on the left, right near the tub. You see he's stretching. He's not so sure. He's stretching, he's reaching, he's trying not to go too deeply into that tight space. You kind of want to meet them where they are with their current comfort level. And then just push them just a tiny bit, right? And I just mean very, very tiny bit, right? So you want to kind of meet them where they're comfortable and then just make it just a tiny bit more challenging. I'm not going to show you the whole reward sequence, but if you look at that, I've already started rewarding him at 1 minute, and it's a minute and 45. I'm literally rewarding him for almost as long as the search here.